top headlines for the day.
Well, seems like akin to Bipasha, the Ashish Chaudhary, Samita Bangarkar duo are also sizzling in Maldives. As per these pictures, we can see very hot Samita looking sexy as ever in a sexy bikini, and Maldives should be scorching. Now with such sensuous quotient from Bollywood and Teleland, what say? Ashish, a contestant on the dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja, surely would get a lot of popularity ticks, which would be more than what people know of him. Anyway, Samita, best known for her role in Ramji London Wale, surely has maintained her sex quotient and has brought in a lot of heat in the cool Maldives. Recently, we saw Bipasha Basu posting pictures from beautiful Maldives, leaving us confused as to whether we got to appreciate the place or the people in the place. Ditto for Ashish and Samita, who have spiced up the otherwise calm beach destination with something really hot and happening.
अरे नीचे तो नीचे बैठ यार जाओ जाओ बंदी हाँ करवा रही हूँ सही
Come on, this is ridiculous, understand? Ma'am, this is the news that you guys have created. You guys take care.
वो क्यों ले रहा है फिर वो? I'm gonna recognize you guys' faces. Where's the गाड़ी? Idiots. Where's the गाड़ी? He's an old man. He's cutting out. You don't have parents? Understand? Is he saying anything? You keep quiet. Madam. You keep quiet. I have an old father.
गाली मत दीजिए।
Hey, you keep
गाली
quiet.
मत दीजिए। गाली मत दीजिए।
Madam just delete.
अच्छा?
आप कैसे बात कर रहे हैं?
Hey, hey.
Madam is come for a function. His father's elderly.
ठीक है ना, नहीं बोला उन्होंने कुछ, आप ऐसे
पर
गालियाँ
अभी
दे रहे हैं।
जब भी बोल रहे हैं आराम से बोल रहे हैं.
It's so sad.
Madam,
It's so sad what you guys.
use जो आप लोग की है is.
It is so sad.
We are calling you madam ना.
It is so sad.
किसने बोल रहे हैं वो लोग? आप वो नहीं सुन
No.
रहे कि लड़की को उन्होंने क्या
It
बोला?
is so sad.
Old man now.
तो हम लोगों ने ये भी नहीं किया ना।
Just take him. Not right now.
So sad. You like this?
Don't do this. Please.
You like this?
It's a rubbish. Okay, I can tell you. You listen to me.
हम लोगों ने साइड हो गए ना। प्यार से बोल रहे हैं।
हो गया।
वकील साहब
Madam, you are in the camera is face. He was not like that. Come on.
You like this?
Don't do that. You know you were wrong. Come on.
You were
Let's
requesting,
take
we're
it.
still taking
Just
pictures.
नॉट फेयर। हम लोग, आप लोग स्टार हैं, आप लोगों के बारे में न्यूज़ आ रही है,
But
सिर्फ
not
confirm
at
कर रहे
this
हैं।
time, no, ma'am. At this time, we just bring the car, na. Just take him, na. Why we creating? I'm refuting the news. Khatam. Okay. आप बैठिए. Get the car. He's not going. I know that he is not going.
हद तो ये वही ना यार।
तू रुकना मेरे लिए.
Okay, news is that Salman Khan is getting married.
Well, listen,
Is it true or false?
this is not for that. No, yeah, you think I'm going to answer that?
Okay, news is that Salman Khan is getting married.
Well, listen,
Is it true or false?
this is not for that. No, yeah, you think I'm going to answer that? It's exciting, you know. There's a friend of mine, Clint, who is part of this event, and when he called me and he said that, you know, would I be interested in seeing this, and I was like more than happy to be here because I love music, and I think this whole event today is going to be a wonderful event. Yeah, looking forward.
Sir, are you planning to start your own concert band like Farhan Akhtar has done?
As an own band, I'm not a musician. I just love music. I don't really play any instrument. I do like singing, and I was contemplating, you know, learning, like taking singing classes. Like, so maybe that is something that I'll do. And if at all I train well and good enough, then maybe I can sing and have a band. But right now, no such plan.
Okay, news is that Salman Khan is getting married.
Well, listen,
Is it true or false?
this is not for that. No, yeah, you think I'm going to answer that?
For all those who wondered how to stay fit like Salman, here's Bhai himself with the success formula. Yes, apparently, Bhai also endorsed Dr. Lakrawala's book of eating right and staying fit. Salman Khan, as we know, has beefed up in a healthy way for Sultan. He, as everyone knows, does not believe in taking supplements and is a health freak. In fact, for Sultan, Bhai has been off alcohol and all vices to look fit. Bhai endorses the habit of eating the right things and staying healthy. He says that it is not how much you eat that matters, it is what you eat that counts. So all fans of Salman, take a note of your star's secret tip to remain healthy. Meanwhile, with Bhai Sultan up for release and Bhai looking absolutely fit in wrestler's outfit, we know Salman means what he says. Way to go, Bhai!